Hello everyone, welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Harshita Alveli. Today we have Shreyas with us who is from Mangalore and he got placed in Globallogic recently. So let's get started. Let's talk to him and get to know about the entire experience of Shreyas with Globallogic. So hi Shreyas.
Hello, ma'am. How
How
are
are
you doing?
you?
I'm doing good, ma'am.
I'm good too, Shreyas. So firstly, we would like to congratulate you for getting placed in Globallogic. Shreyas, we are very happy for you.
So thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, so could you tell more about yourself, Shreyas?
I'm Shreyas. I'm basically from Mangalore. Uh, Currently, I'm studying at Malnad College of Engineering, Hassan. Currently, I'm at the 7th SEM. I will be 2022 passed out. I'm from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering.
Okay.
And I got placed at Globallogic with a package of 5.5 LPA.
Okay, super, super. So what's the job role that's offered for you, Shreyas?
The job role was in the offer letter. It is given a software trainee.
Software training. Super,
Yes.
super. That's really nice. And what was the, see, if this, what, was this an on-campus or an off-campus interview?
This was a non-campus interview, ma'am.
This was an on-campus interview.
Yes.
So this came when you were in the 7th sem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice, nice. So when did you get to know that Globallogics is coming to hire in your college?
So in the third week, second or third week, we got the mail that Globallogic is coming to
Second
the
or
college
third week
for
of? Which
October.
month? October,
October.
second or third week of October?
October.
You got to know.
And yeah, on October 25 or 26, we had the first coding and aptitude test.
Okay.
And this was in the Hacker Earth platform.
Okay, so the first round was a written test.
A written test.
Okay.
So
Could
this
you
written
tell about
test
it in detail, Shreyas?
Okay, ma'am. So this written test consisted of 40 MCQs and 4
Okay.
coding questions.
Okay.
So out of 40 MCQs, it consisted of quantitative aptitude and reasoning questions, also pseudocode and some technical related questions, MCQs.
Okay, so it was all combined. There was no separate section.
No.
So these 40 questions, you have to do it in how many minutes?
These 40 questions plus 4 coding questions in 1 hour 45 minutes.
Okay, so the time was also not sectional.
Yeah,
1 hour 45 minutes.
We could go to other questions. We could navigate. And
Okay,
in the
nice.
coding questions, like the main functions were given, only the functions which we had to return, like the body of the program, which is the core part of the program, that had to be written. And the rest of the things, it was already given in the question.
Okay, nice. So the first 40 questions, do you remember like questions from what concepts was asked?
So we had questions from trains, profit loss, average, and pipes and systems, time work. And so out of these questions, more questions were from trains that I could remember. 3 or 4 questions were there from train section.
Okay. So what about logical part?
Logical part, like the blood relation was given, and that statement 1, statement 2, that type of questions were also given.
Okay.
And 1 or 2 current affairs questions were also asked in the.
Oh, current affairs questions were asked.
Yes.
Okay. What about the pseudocode and the technical part?
Yeah, pseudocode and the technical, it was not that difficult, easy level 1 questions were asked.
So overall, all the 40 questions were quite easy types. You could easily answer.
Quite easy, like the questions which sir teach, the level 1 questions, most of the questions were like that only.
Oh, okay, nice. What about the 4 coding questions? Were those also easy?
Coding question, 1 question was very easy, reversing the string, and other questions were little difficult, like not very easy. One other question was array and magic value, and other question was nearest to 0. Some array will be given, sum of the values which is nearest to 0, we have to print.
Okay. So and the
so
other one is?
I could write only 3 codes. Yeah, so I don't remember the other question properly.
Okay, no problem. So you could write only 3, but still you managed to clear the round.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. So this was about the first round, which happened on 25th October, right?
25th October.
Okay, so when did you get to know that you are shortlisted for the next round?
I knew, we came to know after 2 days. After 2 days only, the TAP office gave the list of the shortlisted student.
Okay.
About 35 to 40 students were shortlisted.
Out of how many? What was the number?
So students from computer science, information science, and electronics and instrumentation. Only these students could write. It was not open for all the branches. So might be 200 plus might have written the exam.
Among them, around 40 people got
40
selected
people
for
were
the next
shortlisted, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what was the next round?
Next round was a technical interview.
And when was that conducted?
This was happened on December 20th or 25th, around that
so
time.
That means after 2 months, there was a gap of 2 months.
We had a gap of 2 months.
Oh, okay. So this was the last round?
No, we have, there were 3 level of interviews.
3 level of interviews. Okay. So
technical, managerial and HR interview.
So these 3 were on different days or it was on the same day?
Technical interview and managerial interview we had on the same day in the different timings. And HR interview was after 2 days after these 2 interviews.
So let's talk about every interview in detail. Tell us about which was the technical was the first interview.
Technical interview was the first interview. So at the starting, in the technical interview, he asked me to introduce myself. I introduced, and later on he asked me, "You are comfortable with which programming language?" And I said, "I'm comfortable with C." So he said me to open the online compiler, and the online coding had to be done. He gave me he asked to write the prime number program. Yeah, I could do it. And after that, he said to write the Fibonacci series program. Yeah, these were only the 2 online coding questions. And next, he asked about OOPS concepts and some questions about DBMS, like what is normalization. And some related to that. And he also asked questions on difference between Java and C. So what is the difference between top-down approach and bottom-up approach? And also he asked some HR questions also in the technical interview.
Though there was a separate HR on?
Yeah, we still he asked some HR questions like, what are the achievements other than technical things you've done in your engineering?
What was your answer for that?
Yeah, I'm an active member of our Rotary Club in our college, so I told about that.
Nice.
So this was around 45 minutes.
So this went on for 45 minutes?
Yes.
So you had to write for the code for the 2 questions. So that must
coding questions, yeah.
Okay. Nice. So this happened on 20th December?
December, yes.
Okay. So when did you get to know that this round you have cleared?
After 1 hour, I came to know that I have cleared the technical interview.
Nice. So
they were doing the technical interview. Who are shortlisted, immediately they conducted managerial interview.
Okay. Nice.
About 9 people got shortlisted in the technical interview.
So out of 40, only 9 got shortlisted?
Yes.
Okay, nice. So the managerial interview round was on the same day, right?
On the same day, after 1 or 2 hours.
Okay. Fine. Tell us about it.
So in the managerial interview, we had a ma'am had come, and she told me to introduce. So I introduced, and she also introduced herself. And she asked, how was your online test and how was the technical interview? What were the questions asked? And in this interview also, she asked, which is your most comfortable programming language? Again, I said, C programming is my comfortable language. She asked why. So I said, in our college, like in the first year, the basics were taught in C programming, and the data structures, algorithms, everything we had learned in C. So this makes me more comfortable in C. Then in this round, there was no like technical or coding questions. She asked 2 puzzles.
Okay, what were those puzzles? Do you remember?
Yeah, I can remember. One puzzle was from clocks. These questions, like these are the questions like were similar to the questions like how sir used to teach in class.
Oh, nice.
One question was, what is the angle when R at 3:15? What is the angle between R and minute and when it is 3:15?
Oh, nice. So it was just like it was taught in the class, no, by Himanshu sir. You must have solved it in like few seconds.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, she got impressed with that.
Yeah, she got. I said like these are the tricks. Okay, I don't remember that actually. How do you know that? So I said I had joined placement training institute. There they taught this.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Then?
And the other question was like, you'll be sent to a dark room. There will be 10 white socks and 10 black socks. In how many turns you will get to know that there is a pair, like one black pair and white pair.
One separate or just a pair?
Just a pair.
Either black or you answered this?
Yeah, I answered that.
Okay. So this was also taught in the class, if I'm not wrong.
No, actually it was not taught.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. This was,
so you could answer both the puzzles.
Yeah, I could answer both the puzzles. And many HR questions were asked, like, do you want to learn MBA? Do you want to learn higher studies? I said no. And she said the importance of MBA and higher studies and all.
Okay. Yeah. Still you stick to your answer.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I said no, I don't want to do higher studies. And many, like, she asked, what is my passion? What is your hobby? What are your hobbies? This was also around 30 to 45 minutes.
Okay.
And I think in a managerial interview, out of 9 people, 8 were shortlisted for the HR interview.
Only one got rejected here.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Okay, nice. So when did you get to know the results of this particular round?
After 2 days, I came to know like the type of training and placement office listed the shortlisted student for the HR interview.
Okay, nice. So when was the HR interview conducted?
After 2 or 3 days, I think December 27, I guess.
December 27, the final round. That was the final round. Right? HR round was conducted. Okay.
In the HR round, it was not that complicated, and all were selected in the HR interview.
Okay, all the 8 who got shortlisted from the previous round, everyone selected.
Everyone was selected. It like just it was around 5 or 6 minutes. Just one introduction about the projects, and are you ready to reallocate? Which is your comfortable programming language? And do you have passport? That kind of questions were asked.
All basic HR questions.
All basic HR questions. Okay, I didn't mention in the technical and managerial interview, they had asked about the projects also. I didn't mention.
Okay, so the mini projects which you had
mini projects which I had done. Many more questions were asked on that.
Oh, okay, nice. So that was the 3 set of interviews that happened.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you managed to get selected. Only 8 were selected out of 200, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you were one among them. That's really nice, no? You must have felt very happy about it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. So, do you have any tips or suggestions to your friends and juniors, Shreyas?
Like, all should have patience, because they should not be in a hurry also, because in MCQs, like options will be similar.
Correct.
Yeah, we should be very careful. Like the options will be set like that. Also, we should not be very slow.
The very first option will be a wrong answer, and we tend to tick that one. Yeah, that happens.
Also, we should not be too slow also, because time is also limited.
Yeah, correct.
So time management is very important, because we all know that in the first round, major filtering takes place.
Yeah, correct. Around like only 20% got selected, no, in your case.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So managing time is quite important. Yeah.
And we should be good at coding and that thing for this company.
Correct. Okay, nice. So since you are a student of Quant Masters, would you like to tell how was your journey with Quant Masters, Shreyas?
Yeah, it was really good, because before joining Quant Masters, I was not that good in quantitative aptitude mainly. And so it helped me a lot. As I said, in the managerial interview, they asked a question about clocks also.
Yeah, that helped you.
It is obvious. Every student of the Quant Master know that we can solve in minimum amount of time, because sir tells more tricks to solve the questions in efficient way. And even the evening classes, the technical classes by Shashank sir was also very good. The questions online on the questions which were asked in the live coding were taught by sir also, how to solve the questions efficiently. These 2 questions were there. So and many the basics will be very good if you listen to Shashank sir's class. And even the sessions by Dinesh sir was also really good. It helped us a lot to write the resume, to face HR interviews.
That's really nice, Shreyas. We are happy that we could help you. You found all the classes helpful. That's really nice. And one last question, Shreyas. Would you recommend Quant Masters to your friends and juniors?
Definitely, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Shreyas. And also thanks for being here, sharing all the information with us. Your experience will definitely help other students who are trying to get placed.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Congratulations once again and all the very best, Shreyas.
Thank you so much, ma'am.